See my nigga get this. See my nigga get this one.
Nigga, what it really fucking do? See, me and my dude, we be laughing at you fools. Sliding real cool and something looking brand new. But your main hoe wanna come now, bitches too. It's already in the car. We got them bad hoes by far. Nigga thinking that I'm lying, try to test me in my car. Ride over you like a speed bump and I ain't bullshitting. Had your ass leaking like a fucking period. What it really do? Cause I be saying this shit, period. Nigga, I can give a fuck about you, nigga, period. I already coveting the nigga on this bitch, and I don't understand none of you hoes. I'm being rich, cause the nigga already know that my 2 kids gon' grow. Nigga standing tall at the sky, looking in me in my eyes. Now daddy can't say, baby girl, I have no change. So nigga, I am lame, never ever that, man. Cause the coveting nigga got it so big, nigga standing in the shit. Ho, I might as well blow somebody weed to get my motherfucking mind right. Cause I'm fucking gone today and I can give a fuck about yesterday. It's fucking gone and I'm here to play. So what it do today? Nigga, me and my nigga E3 now, okay? But they still know who I be. I don't even have to say it, bitch, precisely.